I love these little Mauser 22s, but you've got to be careful whenever you get one. Look closely at the safety. Now, we sell these because this is a common problem, but keep an eye on them, and before you go using them, double check. This is what's commonly referred to as the small safety on the DSM ESMS series, and these commonly break. I think one of the bigger reasons they went to this larger design was because of the breakage on the small ones. So we make the small style safety. That's an item that we stock. Due to the variance of these guns, these are not finished. I do offer a pre-fit version, but it still requires some fitting. These are actually one of the first products I made. So this is the larger safety flag. I'll zoom in here, I think. You can see that crack is almost the whole way through.